Unit 6 is all about technology and strategy, and I can't emphasise enough, and it should come as no surprise if you are alive in the second decade of the 2000s, that you'd understand just how vital technology is as an enabler of strategy. But we need to understand the difference between the operational use of technology, which is about technology that helps us get the doors open, gets the lights switched on, that helps us just deliver the day-to-day functions of the organisation, and the strategic use of technology, which is about a game-changing use that helps us gain competitive advantage or helps us fulfil the vision of the organisation. So when we're using technology as an enabler of achieving the vision, when it is a critical component to delivering the vision and fulfilling the purpose of the organisation, that's the strategic use of technology. When we're using technology in order just to efficiently open the doors and turn the lights on and do those other sorts of things, that's the operational use of technology. And the distinction needs to be clear, because we do need to focus on how we use technology strategically and not just get caught up in increasingly investing in operational technology without a strategic intent or without a strategic understanding. So the first thing is read the material and get your head around the difference between strategic use of technology and operational use of technology. The other thing we need to get our head around is that we need to assign a role, a strategic role to technology. So part of the strategy development process is going through and saying, what is the strategic role that we give to technology in delivering this vision? What is its contribution? In the same way as we assign business units a contribution to make, or we assign different people a contribution to make, we need to think of the strategic role of technology and how we can use that to differentiate and gain competitive advantage through technology. And as you'll know from the materials and as your facilitators will cover in their class sessions, there are just so many examples that you can think of and that we can share with you of technology as a game changer. So those are the key things to take away from this week's unit. Before I close out this unit though, I do want to remind you that coming up next week you've got assignment 1 to submit. And assignment 1 is asking you to use concepts, models and frameworks from the first 6 units of the course. So hopefully by now, as we've been progressing, you've been developing a draft outline and that you've got a lot of the units 1 to 6 thinking into your assessment, but you are being assessed on units 1 to 6, so do keep in mind that we're expecting that you cover core concepts, models and frameworks from all 6 units. And I wish you luck in your first assignment.